Meanwhile, over all of the politics that we've been seeing, over comments like kutta and dog being used in Maharashtra Congress chief Nana Patole has actually defended making such a comment. Remember, he'd referred to the BJP as dogs. And Patole now says, I didn't say anything wrong. He claims that the BJP referred to the OBC community as dogs, and that's why he resorted to that kind of language. Let's play out for you what the Maharashtra Congress chief has said. He's refused to apologize.
मेरे समाज को गाली देंगे, कुत्ता बोलेंगे, तो मैं क्यों चुप रहूं? अगर मेरे ओबीसी समाज को कुत्ता बोलेंगे, तो मैंने भी कहा कि बीजेपी को भी कुत्ता बना के छोड़ दो, तो मैंने कोई गलत बोला नहीं. मैंने जो बोलना था उनने बोला, इसलिए मैंने बोला.
Okay, taking this back across to Vidya, who's joining us from Mumbai. Vidya, clearly the Maharashtra Congress chief defiant, saying that the kind of language that he used was triggered by the BJP.
Well, of course, there is a war of words that has really broken out, and the dog certainly now figures in this, like every other issue that seems to be cropping up. But certainly, in this particular issue, the Congress has been, specifically Patole has been defending what he stated. Where in his speech, while he was, delivering a speech a day earlier, he had stated that we have to make sure that the BJP doesn't get any votes, and then with that reference he's mentioned that BJP should be turned into a dog. So of course the way he spoke it, the way he mocked about it is something that has not gone down well with the BJP leaders, who are very clear that this is not the kind of language that should have been used, and certainly they claim that they would be lodging a complaint against Nana Patole, but we really have to see whether it has been done or not. But at this juncture, BJP too certainly not taking it lightly.
All right, Vidya, thanks for those details.